Hey, the 2021 Ford Bronco is a compromised beast that everyone dreamed about. Or must we say the off-road beast. Now, this is an article brought to you by Bronco Nation. And Bronco Nation is doing some awesome things in bringing the Bronco to us and just giving us the feel, giving us everything that what we need to know about the new Ford Bronco, and pushing us to one day own one. Now, if I pronounce this wrong, Jalopnik, David Tracy finds a 7-speed solid and a major advantage. He gives a thorough review on everything from the door removal versus the Wrangler down to the gearing. David also named some dislike, or must we say bulkiness, at the pillars, the 2.3-liter engine. Good, but left him wanting more. This is helpful information, proving some opinions depend on what vehicles you're coming from prior to the Bronco. He also found the bread and pudding to be the good food at Off-Roadeo. It is incredibly nice. This is just awesome, folks. And this is by Bronco Nation. Now, we can say the 2021 Ford Bronco is sensational. And coming from Jeep lovers, the Jeep Wrangler engineer, the Ford new SUV is of solar off-road capabilities, roof off fun, awesome, and it is fantastic. The Bronco off-road capabilities and stylings come with a compromise. And here's what he thought about that compromise. Now, 15 years, the automaker was competing with the Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, the four-door version of the Jeep most iconic off-roader that there is. And the Jeep sold between 80 and 100,000 Wranglers annually in the United States, which is a vast majority of what you see, the vast majority of it being a four-door. So there's a lot. There's a lot to ask about this. I mean, it leaves some things to be wanting, as you can see what Bronco Nation has said. And this is according to the Jalopnik article. But this Bronco is a beast, folks. This has everything that you would want. And yeah, there's some negatives. The 2.3 liter engine is not as powerful as the 2.7 liter. But still, just look at that. I mean, for the price point, you know, in the high 20s. I mean, just look at it. I mean, look how it's moving through the rock crawling. And just look how it's just going over the sand. There's nothing like this, folks. Nothing like this at all. I mean, it's great to have Bronco Nation bringing this to us and just letting us know what the possibilities of this SUV, the possibilities that we can have, the adventures that we have. This is just nothing but possibilities. And for some, hey, they went out and bought this, the 2-door, the 4-door, the Bronco, and this is just awesome. This A Automotive Reviews, guys. Thanks for watching. And this Bronco is exciting, and Bronco Nation is just awesome, folks. The 2021 Ford Bronco is a compromised off-roader, the beast that we all dreamed of. A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Hey, you guys, A Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate you. Until then, we out.